Ukara Mental Health Awareness Run eyenkumiibiri etebekanisibwa aba Ukara Mental Health Services kandi nibajangwegendereire okurondana sente okwera okushemesa emyeto mu mashomero ebikwatiraine n'oburwaire bw'omutwe obw'okweyinemerera n'okubakubasa kubwerinda.
Ekigendererwa ky'okutaho okw'okwiruka ninga sheyitwesere Ukara Mental Health Awareness Run 2025 nokwenda abantu bamanye mental health neki. Abantu bingi kwakugira ekizibu okuyagira omwana yali yashomero yagira obuzibu okuyagira omwana atandika kweyinemerera omwana twire nagamba nashemerera atandika kuchenjinga ngo bamurogire. That's what we Africans ncho tukukira kora.
I got involved in mental health awareness because I believe that children across Africa are suffering from these issues and it's always swept under the rug. It's not seen by other people and they are always seen as just growing challenges.
Abayetabamu basima ba Ukara abokutebekanseho obureegi abokuba abantu bengi baine oburwaire obu kandi tibarikutunga bujanjabi.
And what are the disadvantages of a mental health illness? Mental health disorder is a very important awareness campaign to the youth and to the public, because most people have lost their lives who end up being depressed, killing themselves, committing suicide, and even committing different crimes because of misuse of drugs, which includes misuse of weed and opium, and a lot of misuse of alcohol.
Abasinga batunga emidari kandi ebitongole ebihaire obushaji byasimwa batunga na certificate.
So thank you so much. We thank you so much for coming through for this great cause.
Mental Health Awareness Campaign etebekanisibwa aba Ukara Mental Health Services kandi omulamo gw'omwaka ogu guri mu Burengyereza, turning awareness into action. Gashakwa Anita Tukunda.